Hey everybody, and welcome back to the TheMindCatcher's channel. Today we're going to be visiting the Crayon case, and I purchased the matte book online, and it came in, let me just show you everything. It came inside of this bubble wrap, and then it has a sleeve here, the same as the palette itself. And everybody knows about the company's theme. Everything is like school oriented. It's very, very cute. When you open it up, they have the protective plastic and all of those gorgeous colors right there. And so in total, you have 26 matte shades. And this bottom row really intrigued me because I was saying, what if I don't want to do a bright, bold look? What if I just want to do something neutral? So you have that whole bottom row right there. So that's going to be interesting. So this won't be the last time you're seeing this palette. I did also order one of their concealers, and this is pretty deep, and I was thinking maybe contouring with it. You know, I just wanted to see. And as you can see, it's like in the shape of a pencil, pen, or marker. And what you would do is squeeze the product out to apply to the back of your hand or wherever else you want to apply. And number 21 is pretty deep. I also got a concealer in the shade 28, and it looks like that. And I was thinking more along the lines of I could use this as a base. I knew I couldn't use it under my eyes. It was pretty light. But I'm thinking like a base over my eyes, like I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm thinking something like that if I want to do colorful looks. Now, another thing that I did purchase, but I tried it out on my hand, and I don't think it's going to go well with these matte shades. This is the Crayon Case Washable Eye Glue Stick. When I applied it to my hand, and then I applied some matte shadows from another palette I had, it didn't work too well. It was kind of patchy using it, and this is very, very sticky. It really is. So I don't see how matte shadows would, you know, glide on top of it. So I'm gonna give this another look when I do something with like some glitter and let you guys know how it holds. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Covergirl Lid Lock Up. It's very similar to the e.l.f. primer. So I'm just gonna put that on my lids. And I am testing out a foundation that will be in another video. I'm gonna apply a little tape just to keep everything in line up here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna use the concealer here in shade 28. I'm just using my finger. For people who are watching me for the first time, and you may say, why would you put on a primer and then a concealer, or a primer and then a base? Because I have super oily lids. And if I don't put on both things, my eyeshadow is like going. All right, for our brow bone, I'm gonna go with this shade right here, or maybe like a mix of this one and this one. I don't want to go too light, don't want to go too dark. So let's see. This is how that big, oh, I like that one. Okay, I'm not gonna use the very lightest one. I'm gonna use the big one. I like the way that looks by itself. Next shade I'm going to use is this lighter blue right here. And I'm going to be using the Sigma E25 brush. The pigmentation is very nice on that blue. And it's blending very well close to the brow bone, so I know the shadows on top of each other blend very nicely. I'm going to go into that second blue down right here. And I'm going to pack that on my lid. Oh, that is very bold. It is beautiful. Yes, the Zetas are gonna love this one. Okay, and I'm going back right along that little line there and blend those two. And notice I'm leaving the inside and the outside open. I have some other colors I want to put there. All right, guys, in the inner corner, I'm gonna use this lime green up here. I might mix it with the yellow. I'm not quite sure yet. Let's see what it looks like by itself. Okay, it's very pretty by itself. I think I might leave it alone. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow. I'm gonna dip my brush into the yellow. I like the lime green, but I want that, you know, that punch. Yeah, that brightened it up just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take a clean brush and just kind of blend between the two. Try not to go too far into either one. I think I'm gonna reintroduce that first blue we started out with. Just tap along the top and bring that one back a bit. And I'm loving the way they're blending together. It's beautiful. We're just gonna play around with it. We're gonna go back and forth. We're gonna add stuff. Let's go a little bit into the deepest purple here. I just want you guys to know I do have a mirror here on the desk, so that's why I'm looking down. Just in case you're like, what is she looking at? I'm gonna drag that purple in the bottom lash line. And we're gonna apply some of the other colors down there too. I'm not gonna leave it bare. Let me go ahead and apply my pencil to my waterline because I know I'll tear up and mess something up, so let's do that now. I'm just going over my brow bone again, kind of blurring things out up there. Now the question is, because I'm so blown away by the pigmentation of this eyeshadow palette, it is absolutely gorgeous. I really don't think I want to add a black liner to this. I love black liner, but today I think I'm gonna leave that alone because I have little eyes, and if I apply black liner, it's just going to take away from all the color. So we're just gonna apply a nice lash. So I'm gonna put on some mascara first. We're gonna use some of the Better Than Sex Mascara. All right, friends, I have put on the lashes. I fixed my makeup a little bit. I do have a cold, y'all excuse me. You'll have me sniffling a little bit. But I put on a little lip gloss and everything, and I think it is beautiful. I had to turn my lighting down a little bit because I think I'm a little washed out. And if you guys also want to see some very true to color pictures, look on Instagram once this look goes up. But it is so bold and so bright and so brilliant and so beautiful, and they blend it so well. Crayon case is awesome. From what I have here so far, I think it's a very good purchase. The shadows were absolutely gorgeous. They blended together on top of each other perfectly. Is exactly what I was looking for. Every shade that I used. Of course, I didn't touch, you know, this side. I don't know. And swatching it on your hand, you're really not going to get the real idea. You have to put this on your lids. Swatching is a great thing just to see, I think, against skin tones, what it would look like. But for performance purposes, you have to put it on your lids. And I think that it did a great job on my lids. The shadows layered on top of each other blend very nice. There was no patchiness in the shades I chose. So I am very happy with the purchase. Again, oh, also the concealer did a great job in helping those colors pop. So that was, well, I'm going to leave everything down below. I think that was shade, yeah, 28. And maybe in another video, I'll use this one as a contour just to see how that works out. It looks to blend pretty well, so we'll see. We're going to definitely come back to this and see where the brand is going. I might go back and get the other palette. I'm not sure yet. I'm just waiting on even more products. This is a black owned company. All right guys, so I am going to put everything that I use down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that I helped you make a decision on whether you wanted to purchase from the Crayon case. I can only go by the matte book, and it's very good. Very, very good. So I think it's a great purchase. You guys let me know what you think down below, and that is it. I will talk to you guys in another video. Cyber kisses. Bye.